Are you looking for the best massage chairs? In this video we will look at some of 5 best massage chairs on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Real Relax Massage Chair. Real Relax 2024 massage chair with dual-core S-track model is our best overall pick for its innovative features, packaged at a reasonable price point. Its dual-core S-track and full-body airbags rival the designs of higher-priced models on our list. The S-track moves the massage nodules along the length of your spine, providing a more effective and realistic massage than those with fixed nodules. Similarly, the full-body airbags gently compress your shoulders, arms, hips, and feet. We also love that this chair has a heating function on the lower back and rollers in the foot wells. It has 6 massage modes: kneading, shiatsu, flapping, tapping, kneading and tapping, plus kneading and flapping, which you can adjust to focus on different areas. You can adjust all of the settings on the attached LCD screen, and there's a phone app for more flexibility. We love that this chair has an adjustable neck massage setting so the nodules hit the right spot on all users. The footrest can also extend an additional 5.9 inches for taller users, but unfortunately, users over 6 feet tall may not comfortably fit in this chair. Assembly is required with this chair and it arrives in 2 boxes, so we recommend having an additional person available to help and taking your time when unpackaging the parts. Dimensions: 27.6 by 52 by 43.3 inches. Weight: 143.3 pounds. Upholstery material: faux leather. Heat, yes. Recline, 3 positions. Initial 0 gravity, comfort 0 gravity, deep 0 gravity. Number 2. Homedics Shiatsu Elite 2 Massage Cushion. For convenience and being able to keep yourself feeling good on the go, it's hard to beat Homedics back massager with heat. It provides 3 different massage styles: a kneading shiatsu massage for deep tissue relief, a rolling massage with width adjustment, and a spot massage that is able to work on specific areas. This compact and portable massager comes with a controller that keeps the massage in your hands, literally. You can adjust it to your needs by turning the heat on and off, adjusting width and height, and reversing the massage direction. It also has 3 different massage zones that can target your upper back and shoulders, lower back, or whole back. The sleek design fits with most chairs, allowing you to bring comfort into whatever room you're in. Do note, though, that it doesn't include a feature to be able to adjust the pressure, so if you are someone who needs added control, this may not be for you. Also, there is no feature to massage your legs or feet, so if you're someone that carries tension in the lower body, this won't be able to accommodate you. Number 3. Synca Wellness CirC Premium Massage Chair. If you're looking for a massage chair with multiple settings in a compact size, the Synca Wellness CirC Massage Chair is a great choice. We think it's the most attractive chair silhouette on our list, blending perfectly with modern decor. This chair has an SL track which offers a more thorough massage along the length of your spine, similar to other chairs on this list. The 5 massage settings, compression, kneading, rolling, tapping, and infrared heat therapy, are accessible on the remote control. This chair does not recline, but we don't consider this a downside to its design given its versatile size for smaller spaces. We also appreciate the ambient lighting on the headrest for a soothing massage experience. This chair may not be best for taller users since it has a compact, non-extendable frame. However, we think it's a valuable lightweight, space-saving design. Number 4. iRest SL Track Massage Chair. A massage chair is no replacement for an actual massage, but you can come close to the same relaxation with a full-body massage chair. This model from iRest has compression airbags in every part of the chair, including the arms and neck, so you can experience muscle relief at home. The massage mechanisms along the SL track are also width adjustable to offer soothing pressure exactly where you need it on your back. You can also easily control the main functions of the chair on an armrest control panel rather than reaching for the remote. Foot rollers, lower back heating, and zero-gravity recline round out the chair's immersive massage experience. Our only complaint is the chair requires 20 inches of clearance from a wall, so it will take up a decent amount of room space. Otherwise, we think it's a comparable, reasonably priced chair design to the more premium options on our list. Number 5. Human Touch Certus Massage Chair. The Human Touch Certus chair is suitable for users up to 6 feet, 9 inches tall, and offers some of the most extensive massage programs of any chair on our list. It has 11 auto-wellness programs that include stretching and recovery functions, dual calf and lumbar heating, and 3D massage mechanisms that allow you to adjust the massage's width, speed, and intensity. The extendable footrest automatically adjusts to your height, and we love that this chair requires no wall clearance to reach its full zero-gravity recline. The ACU point detection feature identifies the best massage programs for your back, similar to the body scan feature on the Osaki OS Pro Maestro Best Zero Gravity. Our only note about this chair is that it has an involved assembly process. The instruction booklet looks detailed and has illustrations. However, we recommend having a helper available to lift the heavy pieces.